Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few kitchen essentials that definitely helped me on my weight loss journey. Let's get right into it. Too often the conversation is about what you're eating on your weight loss journey and not about the other things that might be just as important. Today I will be highlighting 5 kitchen essentials that helped me on my weight loss journey. Number 1, a food processor slash blender. Now before you're like, oh my god, this girl is stating the obvious, let me just explain. I've had weight loss clients come to me and they do not even have a blender. If they buy a smoothie, it's at a smoothie bar, or if they're eating sauces, they're coming pre-made. They're not necessarily making anything from scratch. Making things from scratch are usually way healthier than anything you would buy at the store. From sauces to stews to smoothies, a lot of these things come with preservatives or a lot of extra sugar that it doesn't really need. So when you make these things from scratch at home, you get to avoid those unnecessary ingredients that are putting fat on you, especially when you're trying to mimic a meat-like texture. A food processor is gonna help you achieve textures that you won't be able to achieve with anything else. Also, smoothies are huge to me. Smoothies are great meal replacements, and it really helps me manage my weight because I can make smoothies that are gonna fill me up with high amounts of fiber. It's gonna make my stomach feel fuller with less calories. You can get a blender for as low as $20. I've heard so many stories about the naked juices that are on the shelves. It's honestly mind-blowing, the mismarketing, how they market these things as healthy when they are actually not healthy. So I just encourage you guys to get a blender and start making your smoothies at home. Number 2, good quality Tupperware. Make that small investment of getting you some nice high quality Tupperware. When it comes to weight loss, you're probably gonna be doing some meal prepping to whatever extent you decide to. For me, sometimes I'll just make a huge pot of quinoa, or I'll boil some sweet potatoes and keep them in my fridge, and it's just nice to have a good quality Tupperware. Food is a full experience. You want to be visually attracted to the food that you're going to be eating. You don't want to have no old rundown, stained, crappy Tupperware that you're putting your food in. Start your weight loss journey on a clean note. Get you some nice Tupperware that you can use for your meal preps, and it'll be all the more motivation that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. Air fryer, oven. A lot of people are getting air fryers these days. I totally get it. When you use an air fryer, you don't have to use as much oil, but you also don't have to use an air fryer. You can actually use your oven. The same things that people are putting in the air fryer, you can honestly put in your oven. That's how I feel about it. But the reason these two are great for weight loss is because you don't have to use as much oil, and you can kind of let the food crisp up on its own. Another tool is parchment paper. It makes air frying and oven baking so much easier. You don't have to worry about your food sticking to the pan without drenching your food in oil. I've never bought parchment paper in my entire life until I got on my weight loss journey. So parchment paper is a quick, easy hack for those of you who are looking to lose an extra few pounds. Oil has so many calories, is extremely calorie dense, so the less oil you use, the more weight loss friendly your meal will be. So using an air fryer, using an oven, and also using parchment paper are great essentials for your kitchen. An avocado saver. If you make avocado toast, you know that there is just so much avocado left over after you make avocado toast. It's gonna help you preserve the rest of the avocado so that it doesn't turn brown, which, like I said, food aesthetic is real. You want your food to look appealing. So if it's not brown, you're most likely to eat it the next day. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, but I know avocado toast has been one of the latest trends. A lot of us really enjoy avocado toast instead of putting butter on our toast. So if you do use avocado in your salads on your weight loss journey, definitely find you an avocado saver. Lastly, a lemon squeezer. I make fresh squeezed lemonade all the time. Sometimes I put lemon juice in pilaf. I'll use lemon juice in guacamole. I'll drink warm lemon water with honey and ginger. And you can of course squeeze it with your hands, but that can create a huge mess. I've done it before and lemon squeezes everywhere for me. So I love having a lemon squeezer. It's handy, it's cheap, it's an easy way to get the juice out of a lemon. And it's just been one of those tools in my kitchen that I find myself using more often than not. If you guys found value in this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.